Is SD card a black hole, or what's inside this SD card, how it works, and whether it consumes an energy, whether the data are secured and long lasting? We are going to see in this video. This is Salahuddin and you're watching Pirate Tech. So come, let's go into the video. Wait, I forgot to say some statements. So if you not subscribe the channel, please punch the subscribe button and press the bell icon for the notification. We are posting some interesting tech related videos. So come, let's go into the video. SD card or secure digital or memory card, you can see, is one of the flash storage devices. Nowadays you can't see this SD card in smartphones. As our technology is improving, like 256 GB or 128 GB variant you will get in the smartphone, and you can't get the smartphone the memory slot. In iPhone also you don't get the memory card slot. But when this card was introduced into the market, it was high demand for this card. If you want to buy this card for a storage of 128 KB, you should pay them more than 1000 rupees. You can think, now you will get for 150 or 250 for the standard card. I think all are getting bored about this topic. So let us move inside the interesting topic. What's inside this SD card? Let us see in this video. So when I file this SD card, you get some circuit like things, and when you go in deep inside and see under the microscope, you get a chip like structure that is called a NAND chips. I have never seen this, but the Google answers, what is this NAND chips? Now you can see, not think about the chips we eat like Lays, Kurkure, what and other eat. Now these chips are nothing but electronic compound which is fixed into the memory chip, and this chip works under the principle of ASCII code, American standard code for information interchange. And this code is nothing but, in simple words, let me say, it is zeros and ones. 0 means off, 1 means on. When you copy your data into the flash drive or flash storage, the data is converted into which one? ASCII code. The ASCII code is nothing but zeros and ones. The zeros and ones are moved or transmitted through electrons. It goes through electrons, and these electrons are nothing but you can see the current flow, and this is transmitted and it is implanted into the respective electronic compound. This electronic compound is nothing but a NAND chip. Now we are going into the SD card. Now SD card has a data protection. Where, how, why? So this SD card will be having a slide. Different companies differ from each product. So in some products you can see that there will be a slot for lock it and lock off. So this lock it and lock off prevents from the data loss. So you can think about the data loss. How much essential is our data? Yes. Now let us talk about the data security. Data security. You can say, so this is we are just a normal people. Why we need data security? We need data security, privacy, everything we need. Not a normal human being. We all have the emotions. So what this data protection do? It does not let you copy anything. So you can't copy, write, paste, nothing you can't do with that. I have one pen drive and one memory card locked. What should I do?
I have one pen drive and one memory card locked. What should I do?
So So jokes apart, this data protection gives you some privacy, I think so. Maybe now many of them don't have that slot or lock it and lock off slot. You leave it. Now we can do it manually with your computer. Now with your computer you can go to the stories and you can left click or right click. Right click and you can see the properties down. Click on it and you can see at the bottom
Protection. You just put tick mark.
So press apply. Now your data are protected now. You can't write, erase and you can't do nothing with that data. Only user can do everything. Now Salahuddin, I have stored inside the pen drive, memory card or hard disk or a CD, whatever it may be. Now whether this data are long lasting or not, let us see. This data will be long lasting for lifetime. So don't test it and see, like you don't scratch that memory card, that golden color thing will be there in front. Don't scratch it and see and test it. So whether it consumes current or not. Say me Salahuddin, my current bill is more. You may say, but I should say no. It does not consume current. Only very minute.
Current will load inside. You know that?
So if you not subscribe, please subscribe. Press the bell icon for the notification. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. You know the logic, right? So you have to share. Before subscribing, please go down for the comment section and comment some crazy questions. Okay? Some crazy questions would be there. Okay, bye. Bye.